Let's talk about the new sales and meeting automation tools of Fireflies AI. So, Fireflies AI is the number one AI note taker for your meetings, according to them. It can transcribe, summarize, search, and analyze all your team conversations. So, from just one team to another, it's all integrated across platforms. You can connect from Zoom to Google Meet or whatever meeting plan you use from. So, if you're using those teams and meeting types, you'll need a video conferencing that you can automate, which is for sales and for automation tools. So they offer here a GoToMeeting AI, which will never miss a detail with the AI and the GoToMeeting integration. You can also enhance your dial pod by capturing every conversation with Firefly's AI. It also offers the life size, which can record, transcribe, and search for meetings. And as you can see, it integrates with Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and also Zoom. And for Webex, it can enhance your meetings by recording and automate follow-ups. So what this does though is these are all for video conferencing only. And it's not just limited to that. This platform offers other solutions and integrations that you can use like calendars, CRM, collaborations, and project managements. It also offers resources like partnership, affiliate program, universities, and other more. And for the products, it offers live assistance, a desktop app, an AI and a mobile app, and even a Chrome extension that you can install to your browser. Now let's talk about the pricing. Although there is a free plan, it's much more recommended to get the Pro or at least the business plan. So for the free plan, you can get unlimited transcription, but you will get unlimited AI summaries and 800 minutes of storage and a seed. Although you get key features like Zoom, Vmeet, and Teams and more, it's still limited compared to other Pro plans. So for Pro plans, you get voice agents like AI, the AI apps, unlimited integrations, and much more. So if you want to invest more on your teams and platforms on your company, then it's much more recommended to upgrade your plan to Pro or Business. And after that, Firefly AI offers you the best tools for AI note taking and for your meetings as well. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.